What's up, wonderful people? Today we're at Creation Museum. Come and join us. Let's go! Welcome to Creation Museum. This is the Welcome Center and this is the place where you can gather information, purchase tickets and access various amenities. You can also find a gift shop here and you can browse and purchase a wide variety of merchandise. You can find books, DVDs, toys and other items that reflects to the museum's message and missions. By the way, parking here is huge and it costs around $15. You can pay the parking online or on the spot.
It's nice to have you here.
Thank you. Where do we go first? Okay. Creation Museums that way and Eden Animal Experience that way. Okay, so we're gonna check out the museum first. Let's go. The Creation Museum is actually a sister attractions of Ark's Encounter. So this museum here will help us to venture through biblical histories. We're gonna check out the, of course, the Creation Museums. They also have zip lines, planetariums, the botanical garden. So come and join us to explore this place. And you can tell the garden is also very beautiful. They're really taking care of the garden. Creation Museum, everyone. Dragon's Legend. This is handmade from Haiti. Dragon Legend around the world. For dinosaur dragon. Someone's playing piano there. Always take pictures wherever you guys are. Memory keeps stacking, right? Ooh. Oh, this one is missing head. Dinosaur. And someone's over there too. Right, we are going to check out the main exhibits here. The primary purpose of the Creation Museum is to present a biblical worldview, emphasizing a literal interpretations of the Genesis account of creation. The museum aims to challenge the theory of evolution and promote the idea that the Earth is around 6,000 years old, as opposed to scientific consensus that the Earth is around billions of years. As you're entering the main and the first exhibits, you will find lots of information about the Earth, evolutions, and more. There's a lot of reading here, so take your time to read and enjoy the exhibits. Let's continue. Wow, this area is super cool. Check this out. Did God use evolution? This is very, very good information for people to read here.
That's very different than what the Bible teaches.
This is very cool. They are so creative the way they represent Bible stories, the creation. It's very creative. Alright, let's continue. Whoa. Creation by God's word. This is amazing. Adam and Eve names the animals here. We are now at the Garden of Eden. Here we can learn a lot more about the first humans, Adam and Eve. This is where they actually live in harmony with the animals until they disobey God.
Where's Eve?
I don't know, where's Eve? I think I found Eve. Oh, by then maybe it's taking a shower. Okay, that's awkward. Anyway, some of the exhibits includes the story of creations. It's also talk about the corruptions, catastrophe, and confusions. Here we can learn more about what happened after the falls. That's Adam and Eve. That's Cain and Abel. The first murder. Cain murdered Abel. The exhibits continues to the story of the ark. This is the scene when they are building the ark. We went to Ark's Encounter. Don't forget to check our video. Oh, found someone up there. Someone's up there. This area here is about Jesus. Introductions of Jesus. Really like the way they make stories and tell stories about Jesus. Their presentations, all this, you know, the paintings and the informations provided is very good. Very creative. Next, we are at the Dino Den area. This is one of the notable exhibits within the Creations Museum, which features a collection of dinosaurs and other displays aimed at supporting the belief that humans and dinosaurs coexisted, and that dinosaurs were also created on the same day as other land animals.
Awe-inspiring beauty we see today is only but a shadow unimaginable.
Home Plaza dining exhibits. Lunchtime. Okay, so we're getting the sandwich, Italian sandwich, cold sandwich. Also the pizza, pepperoni pizza here. For 2 pizza pepperoni and the cold sandwich is $29. So this one here, but this one for $20, free refills. Let's keep exploring. Now we are going to the Fearfully and Wonderfully Made. Do you guys know that our business, the motto is also inspired by this verse here? If you go to our business, Rainiers Photography, we are newborn photographer, and this verse here is our motto. This exhibit is very special. It focuses on presenting a creation perspective on human biology, development, and the idea that humans are designed and created by God. Now we're gonna check the borderland, Israel in the time of Jesus. On the side level, there's another exhibit about the Israelites. Here we can learn about their traditions, customs, occupations, currency, outfit, and many more. So make sure to take your time to read all the information. We're back at the gift shop, selling books here. Dolls around the area. This is $8.99.
Yeah, same price.
A lot of good books here. Feels like I want to buy books. Creator.
There.
Yeah, I just noticed there's a dinosaur reading book there. Cricket candy. How much is this? $2.49. Is it a real cricket inside? Oh wow, they do sell crickets, guys. Look.
Huh? Ew! Doesn't John the Baptist eat that?
It's dead.
Still.
For $3. And now we are going to explore the garden.
Here.
We're here. So it took about 10 to 15 minutes to walk around the garden. It is very lovely, especially we came here on a great weather. If you're interested with the zip line, they do have it here, so don't forget to check it out. They also have a mini animal farm where you can pet and feed the animals here. On the way on the exits, they also have kids area. It's kind of like a playground for your kids to have fun. Alright guys, this concludes our video at the Creations Museum. Don't forget to like, share, consider to subscribe. Now also don't forget to check our video at Ark's Encounter. I put the link here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!